Hey guys, so I did this video quite some time ago. The garden looks way different now, but I still thought that it was useful, so I thought I would post it. So this video is on using worm castings, how you just sprinkle them in and you're supposed to water them in, and they're supposed to add beneficial nutrients to your soil. So I'll show you how I choose to do that, especially because in this video we were going to be getting some rain. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the video and you learn a little something. Hey guys, I hope that my camera doesn't fog up here, but I've got my worm castings and I'm just going to dump some into a cup and I'm just going to go sprinkle them on all of my garden beds here, or my raised garden pots, I guess I should say. Okay, so we have had a ton of rain and it is supposed to rain more throughout the day. And I thought, well, since my if I could talk and do this, it would be really awesome and beneficial for everybody. But anyway, it's supposed to rain through the next like 3 days. And I thought, well, why don't I just throw some worm castings down on the soil that is going to get rained on. I'm gonna wait to do those. I'm gonna come over. Let's see here. Oh, my tomatoes are over here. And all of these are gonna get rain. So I don't have to water in these worm castings. So this is like the worm tea, except for it's just the dried version. It's not mixed. I'm gonna get a little bit more. So as far as the green stock goes, probably just gonna give a little shake into each container here, little pot. Try to make sure that they're all getting a little of what they need. And then I'll come down here. Look at my tomatillos. Look at them. And here are the cucumbers. They're doing really well. Some of the ones on the bottom, I'll show you, have flowers on them. I'm trying not to get it on the plant, but it might be getting on there a little bit. But so as long as I'm getting it on the soil that's gonna get watered in. See, look, there's a flower right there. Gonna have some cucumbers growing before we know it, hopefully. I need to plant something in that space. That space is empty. But my strawberries seem to be doing actually pretty well after I did the liquid tea, worm tea. They seem to be doing actually really well. So I am pleased with that. But I thought that I would try just the worm castings and see, because I could get it in a bigger bulk. Look at, this is our other strawberry patch. Look at all of those beautiful berries that are going to get eaten by children. Okay, just spread my little worm castings in here. Just a light dressing of them, and they're going to get watered in tonight when it rains. Okay, so that was a super quick video. Just sprinkle it on the soil, water it in, and it's supposed to add nutrients. We just bought our bag of worm castings online, and it actually was quite a big bag. So we're pleased with it, and I'm gonna I spread it over all of my gardens. I just showed you the ones that were on the deck, but I spread it throughout, just a little bit on top. My strawberries actually seem like they're more perky. So I'm probably gonna make this a ritual and see how it helps everything grow and see if it makes things a little bit better. So yeah, that's my experience, and I'll kind of keep you updated on, one, if I've been consistent with it, and two, if I think that it works well. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe to us. We would really appreciate your guys' support. So as always, I hope you have a great day, no matter where you are.